Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're reviewing the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner 1400B, one of the most popular compact cleaning machines for homes, cars, and everyday messes. If you deal with spills, pet stains, dirty car seats, or sofa marks, this portable cleaner is designed to make deep cleaning simple and fast. The first thing people love about the Little Green is its compact and lightweight design. It's easy to carry from room to room, store in a closet, or bring outside to clean your car interior. Despite the small size, it offers powerful suction that helps lift dirt, stains, and moisture from fabric surfaces. That means carpets dry faster and look fresher after cleaning. This model comes with exclusive specialty tools, making it more versatile than standard spot cleaners. You can target stairs, upholstery, car mats, cushions, couches, and even hard-to-reach corners. The flexible hose gives better control when cleaning tight spaces, especially inside vehicles. If you've ever struggled to clean cup holder spills, seat stains, or trunk carpet dirt, this machine can be a game changer. The dual tank system is another strong advantage. Clean water stays separate from dirty water, so you're always cleaning with fresh solution. Simply fill the clean tank with water and formula, spray onto the stain, scrub gently, and let the suction pull the mess away. It's satisfying to see how much hidden dirt gets removed. For pet owners, families with kids, or anyone who wants a cleaner home, this machine is a practical choice. Instead of renting a bulky carpet cleaner or paying for professional detailing, you can handle small messes anytime you need. It saves time and money in the long run. Performance-wise, it works especially well on recent spills, food stains, muddy footprints, and everyday grime. Older stains may need multiple passes, but the cleaning power is impressive for such a portable unit. BISSELL is also a trusted cleaning brand, which adds confidence in durability and replacement support. If you want an affordable, easy-to-use portable cleaner for home and car detailing, the BISSELL Little Green 1400B remains one of the best-selling choices for a reason. It's convenient, effective, and perfect for quick deep cleans whenever mess happens. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, check the link below to buy now, and don't forget to subscribe to GadgetVerse for more smart product reviews every day.